Hello amazing people. So in today's video we will learn about how to make a program, a very simple program in Python for your age calculation. So let's begin today's video. I'm just going to open my Visual Studio Code and just create a simple age.py Python file and start my program. First we are going to define a variable age and write down an input field. How old are you? Please right here. And next /n, which is going to just let this program know that after compiling this line of code you have to move directly to the next line. Next I'm going to define another variable decades and just divide age variable with 10. To multiplication of 10, division gives you a float value that is stored in the decades. So we are going to just run this program and it is giving you how old are you. Please write here. So I'm giving 54. Oh my god, you got an error for unsupported operand type, string and integer. So let me tell you, this input field by default stores a string value in the age variable. So for that you have to convert it into integer type, because whatever you store in the input is a string. So in that case you have to convert it to integer. So if I'm going to run this program now, I believe I'm not getting any error and the program is running perfectly fine. But we are not getting any output as a display, so I'm going to write print command to display your age is plus decades years old. So if I'm going to run this program now, it will prompt you to enter my age. Oh my god, again an error, can't convert float object to string implicitly. So as I told you before that this decades variable is a float value, if you hover over on top of that, you will get to know that it is a float value. So I'm going to convert it to a string if I want to see it as a display output in the print command. So I'm going to run this program now, enter my age, and here you go. Your program is running perfectly fine. Your age is 6.4 years old, but it's not years, just apology from you guys, it's decades old. So running this program, 64, and here you go, 6.4 decades old. This program is fine, but I want to make more changes into this program because I'm not comfortable. 6.4 decades is a float value, so I want to just chop off the decades value and the years value. So for that, Python is giving you a very amazing option. You have to write down this another slash and divided by 10 gives you an exact integer value for the decades. So it is chopping off the remainder value. So if I want to have a remainder value, I have to define another variable and divide the age with 10, but with modulus operator, which is the percentage sign. What modulus operator do, it will give you the remainder value. Like if you are dividing 64 by 10, it will give you 4, because 10 into 6 is 60, so the remainder is 4. So this is the remainder coming up from a modular operator. Isn't it simple? So I'm going to now make changes in the print format, that your age is 6 decades and you have to convert it into a string, otherwise it will not work. It looks perfect to me, so let's run the program. 74, so your age is 7 decades and 4 years old. Super simple program for you guys. And if you like this video, just subscribe to this channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you so much.